So, I got my kit in the mail. I got my kit in the mail. Now, the people that subscribe to my YouTube channel are people that's really involved. These people really want, to get involved and to see what I'm doing and what's going on. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's how I identify, you know. Now, in this envelope is a kit. It's your welcome kit to a business that I came upon. Actually, being in the network marketing business, you get gifted a lot of things. People are already wealthy, so they know that you're in the marketing industry and you trying to, make a name or just trying to, do your thing, and they are helping you. And this is what internet marketers do. We pay it forward. We help each other. We are a family. So I got involved with this company, and this is my starter kit. I'm excited, and you get information in this kit. It tells you everything about the company. It tells you what you need to do. It tells you everything. Okay? It tells you everything. You even get an envelope already self-addressed. Okay? No BS. And basically, you follow the instructions and you take it from there. Now, again, there's a lot of stuff going on. People don't believe in things. But I'm a believer. And I truly believe that in order to be successful, you have to be around successful people. If someone's doing something and it's interesting and you want to know why, you need to contact that person. You need to get involved, see if that person is real, so on and so forth. I've been scammed, okay, and that's not a good feeling. But I was able to be blessed again with something that is out of this world. So, if you're looking at this video and you really want to know more, then you need to message me, email me, private message me, something. Let me know. And I'll send you the information so you can